Okay. Little Advent. Peanut butter cookie. Alright. I shouldn't. I'm gonna regret doing it. But I needed some sugar, okay? I didn't need it, but I shouldn't have. Okay. Yellow. And in it we have... So we have yellows and purples. Yeah, yellows and purples. And then
It's like a mint in there.
mauve, mint. You guys say mauve or mauve?
Mauve.
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 Cream. If you're going to start rubbing my back, don't stop. He rubs backs too, ladies. Telling you, he's just everything.
What other goodies we got?
I'm working on it. Don't sing my praises. Okay. Well, that just came right on open. All right. It's what's that say on it?
Artelius. Or like Artelius.
They're erasers. So, okay.
They look like they're the sketchpad ones.
Yeah, those
Drawing
are
ones.
nice. I like the white ones. Those are my favorite ones. And we have a few little artistes in the household, so those will definitely be useful. I am getting absolute shivers. It is so cold in here. No. Not that. It's really cold in here. Okay, so that's Little Advent. Now you're going to shoot over to Big Advent. Okay, so... Advent. I am very excited. If this is more of that puffy boucle, I swear.
Honestly, I don't remember what they are.
Oh God, there's a chance.
There's a chance.
No.
There's a great chance, I think.
Why?
Because I wanted to make sure I set the bar real low to start.
I don't know why he has so much fun doing that. It's so aggravating.
You set expectations low.
I'm kidding. I don't think it is anyway.
Well, it isn't. Okay, good.
Okay. So
I actually like these.
this is Woolies. Most of you like Woolies. It's Woolies Thick and Quick. 140 grams, 87 yards, super bulky 6, 80 acrylic, 20 wool, made in gobble gobble.
Toasted almond is the color.
So it is black with like browns and tan like tweeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 of those, and then oh, it's a Harry Potter snow globe. It's a blind bag.
Not all have like little goodies in it, just so you don't get. What
do you mean?
Not all have goodies in them. Only a.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It's a blind bag style, so we don't know who we got yet.
Voldemort with Dementors riding around in it instead of snowflakes.
Hold on, let's guess. Who do you think it's gonna be?
I think I'm going to get Ron Weasley.
I'm 50-50 between Snape and Ron.
Oh, Snape will be wicked.
I think it's a Ron too, though.
It's Ron.
I knew it would be.
That's funny. Oh, that's cool. Does it do anything?
I think it's just a snowball. I think you just shake it up.
Okay.
Yep.
Ronald Weasley! How dare you steal that car? Okay. Alright. So that was cool. I don't know.
Any ideas on Woolies? Whose project you made? You gonna make me something?
If you want something made out of it, I'll make you. Is that enough for... That's enough for a hat and scarf, y'all, right?
You guys should put in comments what's a good idea for...
Honestly, please. 5. There's 5 of them, 87 yards each of a super bulky 6. Honestly, it almost feels like a 7. But it is 87 yards, so it is a 6. Can I make a hat out of just one? That way the other 4 can be for a scarf? I swear it sounded like she just said no.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me know below what I can make. Let me know if I can make a hat and a scarf set. Because I will totally make...
That's like perfect yarn for it. I saw it and I'm like, I want something out of it. So
oh, I see. I see. This wasn't buy a gift for me.
To work with.
This was...
I wanted something out of it. Sometimes you can do that.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not like I've never done that before. I mean, I think we've all done that before. Here, honey, I bought this for you. Oh, you don't like it? I got it. I got it. Don't worry. Okay. I don't know what part of the video these are all going in, so I'm just gonna sign off. I love you guys. Have a good one.